Boom! What is going on, guys? We are back with another video, and we are here with the E39, the exhaust. And the plan for today is to actually go with a dual exhaust setup. It's like what's on the M5.
Yeah, but
so
we ain't got no mufflers.
now the cats are completely hollowed out. Before we had like made small holes in the cat in hopes that the cat would be able to like blow out, and I'll show you guys the material that we removed from the cat. Yeah, so now we have completely hollowed cats, and we're gonna run it from here. This is gonna a 2.75 inch pipe into 3. I'm gonna cut it here. We're gonna make another wide pipe in the back here going that way to split it, reuse this pipe, and then go 3 inch on the other side. That's the plan, at least. See how it goes.
It's not gonna come out that far.
You're good, and stop. Don't worry, Captain, we'll buff out those scratches.
We bashed out the tunnel for an exhaust to run underneath the tire like shroud area that goes here. Hope you guys can hear over the fan, but we reused that, and that's how it's looking. So this is the next day, next morning. Just finished out welding out the rest of the exhaust. As you can see, it looks pretty dope. We got the 3 inch coming off of the Y pipe here. This to this 3 inch Y pipe that's MagnaFlow. This one's a 2.5 to a 3, then 3 inch back out. It's like a makeshift X pipe kind of deal that we made. 3 inch. Had to adapt back so that we could use this hanger and get around here. Plus I didn't have enough piping to get this part, so we reused this with some adapters. So that's 2.75 inches and the rest is 3. And that's 2.75 in the front. And then this is 3 inch. Got a little bit hairy over here when I was doing the tip. Had to make like this bend that caused the pipe to be behind it, but I was able to, you know, make that work. And then these little turns to get around the back axle and diff area. It's like the diff right here. So yeah, we're gonna bolt it back up and get this cold start, this freezing cold start of the 3 inch straight pipe with the cats fully deleted like I showed you guys earlier. All right, it's bolted up. You can see from the bottom.
Yeah.
It's bolted up. And we're good. We're letting her acclimate now. Tested it for leaks. She sounds good. No leaks in the front. Sounds like a complete X pipe, not gonna lie. Missed the cold start, but we can get some revs in a second for you guys once she's warm. Yeah. Woo! Oh my God, it's a Mustang now. All right, let's get on the road, see how she sounds.
Seriously? Where's my phone?
Why you gotta violate? I just don't understand why I'm the one that gets violated all the time. I really, really don't.
Oh fuck, I can't see shit.
He's too much fun. Alright. Damn! That was tough.